How's it going? Circus Productions back once again with another video. And I don't know if you can hear that beautiful sound, but
yeah, where's the wing nut?
Should be able to see.
Yeah, where?
Good question. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that beautiful sound, but that means she's running. So, do it.
It's fixed, dude. I guarantee you she got the burnout. It was all my work, so if it's gonna do it, I'm gonna be the one who'll be driving it when it does. Oh, listen to her at idle. There's no puff anymore.
So, Blackjack, got a question for you. How long did it take to rebuild this?
About an hour.
There you go, folks. About half an hour.
I can't do it. My hands numb.
So about half an hour to rebuild the fucking carburetor. That's not too bad, especially for us who doesn't know what we're doing. To most people, a lot of people tell us, "Oh, you guys don't know what you're doing. You'll never succeed in life." What do you call this? Huh? Yeah.
That's what the extra hat.
Yeah, this is not staying. This was just a temporary fix. The paint will be fixing here about 2 weeks or more. Brand new wipers that actually, work.
I trust you enough to do this. It's time.
Well, Blackjack, go ahead, work your magic.
Probably gonna have to turn that idle up just a hair. But it's also running on open choke, which it never did when it was cold before.
Might want to stand back.
Yeah, oh shit. No, I'm not going to purposely try to burn. We know you! Hey, she didn't die in the time! She told us she was trying!
Well, guys, there you have it. Sunset's back, better than ever.
I almost forgot that the transmission fluid leaks.
And there's more to come.
Yeah, we still have to.
So, for me,
you might want to check that, see how low she is from puking.
breakdown, Blackjack, and of course that big orange beautiful beast, Sunset. We are signing off. Later.